Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do one that's been requested a few times. We'll start off with some magic, make that all sanded up. Then we'll add a nice white base coat. Here I sketched it out, and I actually had to sketch it a couple times. It was such an intricate design to have on such a small space, but I think I got it to work. Then I finally got to add some paint, and I realized as I kept painting this that the lines were getting thicker and thicker, so afterwards I went ahead and I thinned it out just a bit. And here it is after I thinned it out a little bit. What do you guys think? As always, I appreciate your support, and I'd love to hear what you'd like to see next. Bye!